blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red.
A trailer and like burning a load of stuff and heard this like.
So here we are at 3DX Star. So yeah, let's see what exciting stuff I've got here.
Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you.
If you can find any stuff.
White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. At the festival that
You get denomination.
where you were just a face in a crowd, and now I can't imagine me with any big deals as we close out the night underneath the lilac sky. Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
Okay, so we just finished at 3DXR. As you can see, we got a couple goodies from Ben himself.
We've got some beautiful merchandise. So we've got some wonderful FPV t-shirts and some Team Motor shirts.
Yeah, I'm sure this will be good apparel for the team, but we literally we're mind blown about how incredible this trip has been. Like we could not have expected anything like this, but the
amount we've learned.
The amount we've learned, yeah. We're going to go back and like do a bit of re-evaluation on our design, think about what we need to change, and put some of it to test in this incredible equipment that he's donated. And like, oh, this is game changing for us. Like, watch out, America.
Watch out, CU.
Yeah.
Watch out, all those.
We've got people like Ben backing us. Who knows
Man,
what's possible.
Project Hex is unstoppable.